Oh no, the front wheel set's off, hang on. Yep. It sometimes rights itself if the front wheel set goes over the other side, but come here, you little.
Do you know what make of engine that represents, or?
It's a Bachmann 10-wheeler model, so it was originally lettered for C&O. I have no idea beyond that. It's not accurate to the number 6 yet. It needs to be repainted, and the new tender that's smaller is on the way in the mail. So currently, it's the one I had that's roughly period and size appropriate that is actually running.
Nice.
The number 3 engine on the siding is painted accurately, but I haven't put the new motor in. Where the 18SF giant Light Pacific I have on here runs asterisk not well, but it's a little heavy for what we were operating on the Ilwaco.
Oh, really?
So it's all piecemeal coming together slowly.
Yeah, I wish they just would have kept it.
Yeah. And the prototype for this, because they tried to with several, as time went on, they tried several fixes for it. They added, actually I think I've got one back here. They put engines in boxcars after the original steam engines quit working to try and keep things powered, but eventually the rails were just so corroded that they wouldn't take care of it. I think sandpaper was maybe used as a way to clean it off once or twice, and the dust got into that and became non-conductive, so it didn't work so well after that. But
well, you're talking about the model, right?
oh yeah.
I mean, it would have been
The original.
wonderful if they had the actual train.
Yes.
So,
I have dreamt about that myself many a time.
yeah.
Apparently 1930 was the automobile and the Depression were the double whammy that killed it. So Union Pacific finally asked to abandon the trackage rights and paved over what was in the street, and here we were.
Yeah, everybody went car crazy. Understandably so.
Yeah. But that was a freedom to the individual motor vehicle. But now I got to worry about insurance and not crashing every time I get out of my driveway. So
Exactly, yeah.
I would take the train where it's an option.
Mm-hmm.
Plus, then if